पर्यावरण विषयक आजच्या भागामध्ये आपल्यासोबत आहेत विठ्ठल शिंदे, जे खूप हुशार असे पर्यावरणवादी आहेत. त्यांनी आतापर्यंत बरेचसे चर्चासत्र आयोजित केले होते. आज आपण पाहणार आहोत की त्यांच्याकडून आपल्याला काही जास्त माहिती मिळते का पर्यावरणाविषयी, जेणेकरून समाज आणखी जागरूक होईल. सर नमस्ते.
नमस्ते.
सर, तुम्हाला असं काय वाटतं की तुम्ही आतापर्यंत बऱ्याचशा म्हणजे तुम्ही शिकवले विद्यार्थ्यांना वगैरे, सध्या जे पर्यावरणाचा ऱ्हास होत चाललेला आहे, शिक्षण पद्धतीमध्ये काय बदल केला पाहिजे जेणेकरून मुलं जागरूक होतील की आपण पर्यावरणासाठी आणखी काहीतरी केलं पाहिजे?
मी ज्यावेळेस शिक्षक होतो त्यावेळेस महाराष्ट्र शासनाने इयत्ता 9वी साठी पर्यावरण शास्त्र हा विषय ठेवला. त्याच्या पाठीमागचं धोरण असं की ही समाजातील विद्यार्थी समाजामधून शिक्षणासाठी आलेले आणि विद्यार्थ्यांना हे जर हा विषय समजला तर त्याचं ते घरी गेल्यानंतर उपयोग करतील आणि ते आपल्या आईबापांना प्रवृत्त झाडं लावायसाठी करतील. कारण आईबापांचा आपल्या मुलावर विश्वास जास्त असतो आणि त्यामुळे सामाजिक वनीकरणामध्ये भर पडण्याची शक्यता आहे. म्हणून शासनाने विद्यार्थी हे माध्यम पसंत केलं.
Did you think that present syllabus in our education system is enough for save our environment?
Some portion is added it by the government because the student must be learned, and at college level also this subject is necessary. Now you are going to see that NSS camp. NSS camp goes in village. Usually to work. They do labor work. But my according opinion, in NSS camp also, the tree planting must be necessary inside of the road.
Okay. What are you going to suggest new SSS camp which are now going to organize in June and July? What do you suggest for the teachers and the principal? What to do?
According to my opinion, in June,
the
monsoon season will be start. If planting it, first time you have to give water to them.
And temperature is low.
When the rain comes down, they will be self-defense and they will grow. Only people have to do the protection around it.
Yes.
And keep attention there.
Temperature should be low in monsoon season.
Okay. Now, Sachin sir, tell our audience that what is the deforestation takes place and how is it harmful for our society?
Only reason for selfish people, we can be change the psychology of human psychology. When we change, then absolutely one day will become all humans and all our world's humans, all our humans, we are planting, and one day will become in our life all temperature should be maintained on our world. We can save our ecosystem due to the action. Only action is should be necessary.
Yes, you are right.
Action should be necessary. Action must be necessary. Without action, you cannot do anything.
And only one man cannot do it.
Yes, you are right.
All the people living in a village or in city take parts in it. It is in Marathi said that Rav Rank Gav Karil Te Rav Karnar.
Yes, absolutely right.
It is not depends on the only one person. No. All the people living here in India also must do know the importance of the forest. इसका मतलब ये है कि planting must be done.
Yes, right.
Which plant are useful for yourself? Plant there around in your farm.
Yes.
All community all peoples of community comes together one direction and take action against pollution.
Yes. We see recent and yesterday at 13 May 2014, we see the most high temperature in Delhi. That is 52.4, and which is highest temperature in century. What is the reason behind it?
Due to the continuously increasing the pollution, carbon dioxides are continuously going to the atmospheres. Carbon monoxide
absorbs the heat from the sun.
But
It
does not
cannot
rely-
release in environment.
environment.
Yes, yes.
Only the absorbs. His
He-
function is
he-
only absorb. I tell you one last week, any molecule of gas can accept energy but does not release. All gases, but carbon monoxide, CFC,
CO2.
in a freeze gas, CFC4, CFC12. This is the dangerously gas compared to the carbon dioxides. They are going to the atmospheres and they trap the energy but does not release in the atmosphere in free space. So temperature should continuously increasing, and deforestation and environmental, they are damaging due to the human activities. So it is so important for only humans can plant and grow it.
Yes, yes. You're absolutely right.
Human are selfish.
Selfish.
They
people.
cannot know the environment science. What is the bad effect of our doing the pollution? They know. What is the importance of the plant? Those plants are useful. Give the fruit them. They must be planted around. बांधाला काय म्हणतो? बांधाने लावली पाहिजेत.
Yes.
तुमची शेती पण झाली पाहिजे आणि तुम्हाला फळंही मिळाली पाहिजेत आणि त्याचा मोबदला तुम्हाला मिळाल्यानंतर तुम्हाला त्याचं झाडांचं महत्व कळेल. कारण का शेतकऱ्याला उत्पन्न हवेच असतं. ती नुसती उंच वाढणारी झाडं लावू शकत नाही. आंब्याची, चिक्कूची, पिवळी अशा जर बागा लावल्या किंवा बांधाच्या कडेने झाडं लावली, तुमच्या गरजा भागतात. उत्पन्न मधल्या राहिलेल्या जागेत तुम्ही शेतीचं घ्या आणि दोन्ही गरजा होऊन एन्व्हायरमेंट म्हणजे पर्यावरणाचं समतोल राखला जाईल.
Yes, yes.
Balance
Absolutely
of
right.
environment.
We
Carbon monoxide does not dissolve in water.
Yes.
And this is poisonous one. Carbon dioxide is used by the plants for the photosynthesis. No doubt about it. But nitric oxide or carbon monoxide, they are the poisonous gases. Do not dissolve in nitrogen dioxide.